Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file, and when they fill in the border, it doesn't fill in. Well, originally there was nothing else on the page, so if I draw a rectangle around it and grab the Smart Fill tool and fill in that line, you can see that it leaks outside that line. So that means we have a leak. There's a couple of ways to fix this. The best thing to do is if you look at this corner right here, it kind of looks closed. But if you will take it and turn it into a hairline, you can see that it's not even close. It looked closer than that because when the line was thicker. So there's a lot of leaks, but really the main two that are leaking are the top and the bottom. We can take the shape tool and select that and go right here to join two nodes. And then down here, and you can see some arrows. And an arrow means that it's not sealed, but these are a little bit better. So there's only one more leak. So what we're going to do is right here at the bottom, and it's also a pretty bad joint, but we're just going to select it and hit close the curve or close the two nodes. Now let's back up a couple steps where they're all open. The other way to do it, and probably the safest, would be able to grab your item, take your shape tool, and you can see the open nodes and select all the nodes. Now you can see they're all highlighted and you can see the double arrows, and then go to Windows, Dockers, Join Curves. I've got mine set on 0.1, and now it closed all the curves, and you can take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in, and it's done. Now, for the one I'm doing it for, it's a little rough. They got this if you look at that right there, it's got some dimples. So I'm gonna make a second video on how you could make it look like mine and be a little sharper. If you look at hers, she's got a flat point where I have a point. So stay tuned for part 2. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.